Hello viewers. So today we are going to illustrate this beautiful Indian wear costume with the help of a special technique, and the technique is embossing. Yes, we are going to do embossing to make this beautiful outfit. So let us start with a blank pen. You can see the pen is totally blank. So we are going to give this kind of texture on our skirt. For that you need a pen with no ink. After that, make a pattern, and you can see I'm drawing a pattern over here. You can make any kind of pattern you want, any kind of design as per your preference. And I'm making that rounded pattern all over the skirt with this blank pen, and after that we are going to apply this Staedtler or pencil color on the border. You can see the texture is coming out, and the technique we have used is embossing. With this technique we can give minute detailings with very the minute detailings that can't be given by the use of brushes or pens. They are given by the embossing technique that we are using right now. But there's one limitation to it: we can't use watercolors on it. We always need dry colors to use this technique. As you can see, I'm using this pencil color, but it can't be done with water or poster color. So remember that. Never use water on this technique. So I'm making a combo of this green, red and yellow color. Doing it all over the lower skirt. Now I have left some space in between in which I'm going to fill black color. So my three patterns are completed. Now I will do black color on the remaining part. Do it with very careful hands. Make sure that it doesn't exceed the So hard. Do it with very light hands. Alright, doing the same thing again and again all over the black part, and the basic skirt is ready. Now we will come to this pattern of embossing, giving shades on the folds. We have to give a difference between the flat part and the folded part. So for that we will just give darken effect to them. As you can see, I'm just drawing a line first and then merging it to give a folded effect. Do it with very light hand, don't rub that so hard. You can see the difference that is coming out in both left and right side of the border. And this is how we mostly do every minute detailings of illustration. We will repeat the same thing all over the dress, in red part, yellow part, everywhere. And with black color, we will darken the edges. Now taking the carrot red color and repeating the same pattern, making lines and then giving merge effect on the edges of the folds. The pattern is coming out so well, so beautiful it is looking, and we are going to be amazed after seeing the whole dress when it will be completed. Rendering is very important part of a fashion illustration. So we have to do it very carefully every time to make shades to the hair with black color. Now doing it with brown pencil color, giving some lines, strokes of some lines all over the bun and fleeks. And then we will finish it with the black pen, or you can take brown pen for that. So with pencil color, darkening. And I'm giving the impression of nose, impression of face basically, but you can make whole features as per your want. And I'll outline it with brown color. All the skin part I'll do with brown pen basically. You can left this part and making earrings with yellow. Outlining it with black pen. And the dress is almost done. Everything is done, and you can see how beautifully it has come up. So graceful the dress is looking. Wow. The embossing technique is the best for every kind of detailings and to make our outfit beautiful. So if you guys love this, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.